WhatsApp mic lost? Then this is the simple way to see it. Please follow me closely as I walk you through. Welcome to Scamper IT Services. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell if you want to get exciting videos like this from us. Alright, so if you can't see your WhatsApp mic, this is what you must do. First of all, just go to Google Play Store or App Store, any. Okay, Google Play Store or App Store, any. When you get there, please just go straight onto your search box and search for WhatsApp, the kind of WhatsApp you've been using. Okay, so if you are using the WhatsApp business, you search for WhatsApp business. If you are using the normal WhatsApp from Meta, you search for WhatsApp. If you are using the GB, I will entreat you to go to uh, Google and search for GB update. All right, so all these three websites or all these three apps are having the mic. All right, so make sure you update it and you follow the way I'm going to show you to seeing your mic. All right, so if you get here and your this open is on update, please make sure you update the app. But if it's not set to update, you carry on. It means that you've updated it and you are going to see your mic. All right, so let's tap on open to open this app. So you quickly move to your status section. All right, so when you get to your status section, what you are going to do in next is just tap on the pencil. Sometimes the mic will show on the pencil. So when you are about to tap on the pencil, it will just turn. Okay, turn to the pencil. But don't worry, if it doesn't happen that way, don't worry. Follow this. Just tap on the pencil. Okay, tap on the pencil. You see, after tapping on the pencil, we have this thing here. This thing is the record mic, and you can use it for your recording. So here is it, here is it, okay, here is it, and you can use this to delete if you don't want to send the recorded file, or you can use this to play what you've recorded. Okay, to play what you've recorded. All right, so you can use this to post on your status. All right, so thank you guys for coming through. This is how to locate the mic section in WhatsApp. Okay, the mic section in WhatsApp. Thank you guys for coming through. Please, if this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more exciting videos like this from us. I'm out.